In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have your calendar events neatly imported into a spreadsheet so you can review, filter, and analyze them with ease. Start by opening Google Sheets. You can use a new blank sheet if you want a fresh workspace, or open an existing file if you're adding the data to a current project. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has access to the calendar you plan to import, especially if you work with multiple accounts. Next, look at the top menu and go to Extensions, then Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you'll find the tools that connect other Google services to Sheets. In the search bar, type Calendar to Sheets. You should see an add-on with that name appear in the results. Click on it and install it. During installation, you may be prompted to grant permissions so the add-on can read your calendars and write to your spreadsheet. That's expected, since the tool needs access to bring your events into the sheet. If the Extensions menu doesn't update right away after installation, give the page a quick refresh. Sometimes it takes a moment for new add-ons to appear. Once it's installed, return to the top menu and go to Extensions again. Hover over Calendar to Sheets, then select Import Calendar. A panel or dialog will open to guide the import. Here's where you choose exactly what you want to bring in. First, pick the calendar. You can choose your primary calendar or any other calendar you have access to, including shared calendars. If you don't see a calendar, double-check that you're signed in to the right account. Then, set the date range. Think about how much data you need. A shorter window, like the last month or the next 4 weeks, will import quickly and keep your sheet focused. A longer range works too, but it may take a bit more time and produce a larger dataset. Make sure the dates reflect the period you actually want to analyze. When you're ready, click Import. The add-on will fetch your events and place them into your spreadsheet, typically in a new tab. You'll see details like event titles, start and end times, descriptions, locations, and attendee information if it's available. From here, you can sort by date, filter by keywords, or create summaries using standard Sheets features. If you plan to reuse this process, remember the steps. Open the add-on, choose the calendar and date range, and import again whenever you need a fresh snapshot. That's it. You've successfully added Google Calendar to Google Sheets.